Hey guys, I'm Sebastian Gonzalez and this is Dr. Dawn. I guess I'm Dr. and her last name's Costantino. There's no N, not like Constantinople. So we're going to cover today a couple stretches that you guys can do for your low back. And we covered this before, but honestly the reason why we're doing this again is we forgot to tell you why they work. So we're going to cover that this time. By the way, if you didn't know, we're locally world famous in Huntington Beach, meaning that like your favorite sandwich shop around the corner that says world famous, they're not, because I haven't heard of them. So we're just locally world famous. Huntington Beach, come visit us.
I just think it's so funny that you say that.
It's great.
I'm trying to get him to sing it. We're trying to come up with a jingle. One of these times, locally world famous will be a jingle between the two of us.
She wanted to beatbox it, and I don't feel...
Nobody's beatboxing. We should bring the beatboxing back.
I would just do
Should
that.
we just try it really quick?
So you can try to be the beatbox.
Come on. Let's do it.
Locally world famous. That's all I got. Okay, so when we cover these stretches today, we're basically just going to cover maybe some ways you guys can modify to make your back feel better while doing them. Or maybe, since we're going to be challenging each other to maybe, we're just going off the cuff here, maybe the answer might be just don't do that. Because that is a very valid answer. Don't do that for now. Afterwards, we'll show you why these things help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that is very helpful for you guys to get more material about what helps. Helps us too because we like having an audience, but go subscribe. There's a lot of people that say, where's your video on this? Go subscribe. Or search on the sidebar on the channel. It's all there too. So just type up your favorite word like Constantinople. Maybe we did one on it already. So I'm going to challenge you this time, since you did last time to me. Go ahead and step aside. Give me this bench here.
Don't yell at me.
Don't yell at me. Don't tell me what to do. Doc, my hamstrings are tight. My back hurts. I keep stretching my hamstrings, but it's so excruciating to do it. How do I make this feel better?
Okay, so we're going to change it first, describe after why it might work.
We'll describe after.
Cool. So lay on your back for me. You really, really, really want to stretch your hamstrings. You really think that hamstring tightness needs to be resolved by stretching, then just lay on your back and try it this way. And hold and breathe. You can put a little strap around your toe right here if you want to. I can grab one really quick. And you can pull and stretch your hamstring like that. Try that.
Okay.
Do it this way.
Did you know I was a rodeo king?
No, you weren't.
Do you know what mutton busting is?
I would believe more that you're a rodeo clown.
No, I was a mutton buster.
How's that feeling?
It feels stretchy.
In the hamstring? How does your back feel?
Oh, it feels good.
Good. So describe now or describe later.
Let's describe how that works.
Okay, so let's go back to the first one really quick because I want to show them really quick. If you look at Seb here, his low back is very rounded here. Let's take that low back rounding away and just do the hamstring stretch here. Now he's got a flat back, he's got his core activated, and that might feel a little bit better on the low back.
Oh, with my foot in the
Yeah, just like around your foot.
Okay, yes, that works. So you're just saying don't round the back.
Yeah, could help a lot. Sometimes back rounding drives irritation in that area to the structures in that area. So just take the low back rounding out of it, see if it helps you.
Okay.
Simple.
Got it. All right. Want me to give you another?
Sure.
This one's a tough one. What should we do? Oh. This chair stretch that everyone gives me, or this, I guess this is a pigeon if it was on the floor, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if it's a chair, it's on a chair. So I'm trying to stretch my hip out. I guess I'll show this side so everyone can see. I'm trying to stretch that hip out,
Mm-hmm.
but it really hurts my back.
Okay.
What do I do?
Well, one thing that you... I think, well, so a lot of people don't do this bouncing thing here. They usually just hold and breathe like that. Yeah.
Ow.
So let's not do that. Let's come up. And I want you to activate your core. Take your hands up like this. I think you call them little T-Rex arms. Yeah, like that. Drive this knee down for me. And then just really control and breathe like that. Noticing with his core activated, his low back is a little bit more straight. And this is glute activation here, which can also help protect the low back. And see if that kind of helps stretch that hip area a little bit more.
Yeah, it feels more in my hip, not in my back.
How would you change that one?
I'd put them on their back.
There you go.
There you go.
Take the low back rounding out of it.
Yeah, we take the low back rounding out of it.
Seems to be a common trend here.
Yeah, so the reason why this works again, this what Dr. Don said, is that we have little things in here. I'll just walk up to the camera super quick, just so you can see there's these little disc right here. Let's see, is it still zooming on you? There's this little disc right here, which a lot of times when we sit in bad posture, it just kind of compresses them a little bit. It makes the back fairly unhappy. It tends to refer into the muscles in the back here, and it may tend to make them tight. Sometimes it sends down the leg in the form of like a sciatica. So what we're basically doing is we're taking the low back round out of the hip stretch, because why does it need to be in there? And so we'll just do either neutral or opposite or support it. And that's why those would work a little bit more. But if you're having pain with low back rounding, there's certainly a better remedy than stretching your hamstrings and hips and buttocks anyways. That's just ways to modify it slightly.
I like it.
I think we explained that one better this time.
I think so too.
Okay, so would you like to close it today?
Sure.
Okay.
So, low back rounding seems to be the common trend in driving irritation to that area. Try to just take it out by supporting the back with the ground and retrying your stretch and seeing if it works for you. From there, if it's helping, but you're wondering why it keeps returning, there's a little bit of a missing link a lot of times when people reach out to us. So just reach out to us, email, phone number, give us a call, and we can chat with you and see if there's a missing link in your treatment approach. That seems to be always the thing, right? Somebody tells us, I've tried all these different things and for some reason it's not working, and then there's just one thing that we find. So we can help people virtually if you want us to. We're in Huntington Beach, California. You can come see us in our office. We'd love to work with you.
We're locally world famous.
We are locally world famous.
I'll work on that.
Okay.
I'll do it in the shower, so the baritone? Is it what's the deep one?
I have no idea.
Not treble.
So it's probably baritone.
I'm gonna go with baritone. I'll work on my baritones in the shower.
Okay. Next time, Seb will be a singing locally famous chiropractor. What am I saying? Reach out to us. Let us help you. I think that we would really love to chat with you. info@p2sportscare.com. I always mess up our email for some reason. info@p2sportscare.com, or give us a call. We'd love to help you guys.